Have you ever thought about selling Canva templates and making money on the Fiverr platform? So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money by creating Canva templates to sell to your clients on the Fiverr platform. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Viveth, and on this channel we talk about ways that we can make money, money saving tips, and a little for personal development and personal finance. So guys, so Canva templates are one of the great ways in which you can make some money on the Fiverr platform, and it's not difficult to do, right? So here we are on the Fiverr platform. um the results for Canva templates is 4,136, meaning those are the services that are available on the platform right now. But the thing is, with the Canva templates, you can do it for a particular niche. For example, you can do it for probably real estate. You can do it for like nail salon or makeup, whatever the niche that you are interested in, or you can do it generally. So you can provide those templates and you can make money because most of the times these business owners, they don't really have the time to create these templates. So you making them and selling it to them will help them a lot, so they can customize it based on their style, whatever color scheme they want. Or you can they can ask you to do it for them, right? So if anything, they can make changes whenever they desire. So as I said, it's a great way to make at least 100 or more per day, depending on the number of orders that you receive, and start making some money. And this is a great way, guys, in which you can create additional sources of income. Even if you have a 9 to 5 job, you can do this and make some extra cash, right? All right, so let me just go and show you what I'm talking about. So here we are on the Fiverr platform for Canva templates, and these are just some of the persons that are offering this type of service to different clients that come on the Fiverr platform, right? So here is one. This person currently has 7 orders in queue, and the person says, well, she says she will design Canva Instagram templates for your brand, right? So for this case, this person is doing Instagram templates, but you can do it for any social media platform. You can do it for Instagram, um, Pinterest, you name it. Mainly, most persons do it for Instagram, but as I said, you can create it for just about any social media platform, right? So this person has 7 orders in queue and has already gotten 478 5-star reviews, right? So just a quick calculation. So if this person has 7 orders in queue, and her starting price is $40, right? So 40 times 7, right? That would be what? $280 she would make just for the 7, if she's charging $40, right? But I know that most persons who come on the platform would want more, right? So her standard um price is $50 and her premium price is 60. So you can do the maths and you can see how much she would be making, right? And even based on what she has already at $40, and she has already gotten 478 5-star reviews. So you will see that 478, right? And she has already made 19,000 $120 so far, right? So you see that this is a great way in which you can make some passive income, not not passive, but so you're still trading your time for money. But this is a way that you can create additional sources of income and get paid, right? So let me show you someone else. All right, this person doesn't have any order in queue, but they already have 218 five-star reviews. And she says that I will create attractive and editable Canva templates, right? All right, this person has 2 orders in queue. I will design aesthetic puzzle feed, Instagram, and the Canva templates, right? And this other person has 10 orders in queue, and they have already gotten 726 five-star reviews. I will design a Canva template for your social media posts, right? So most of these, as I said, they are Canva templates, so they are done in Canva, right? And you can go over to Canva. It's a free online freelance design tool that you can create just about anything, right? And what you do, you can go and type in templates, or if you're doing anything relating to Instagram, maybe like Instagram posts, Instagram stories, Instagram highlight covers, you can create them. And these are some, right, here on the Canva platform that you can customize and use. And over here, I went ahead and you can use the free ones right here, because if you are gonna sell Canva templates, it's best to create the free ones, the free templates, because many persons may not have the pro account and therefore would not be able to customize it if it is done with the pro templates, right? So if you use a pro template, then and you send it to your client, then they will, if they don't have a pro account, then they would not be able to customize the template if they choose to, right? So it's best that if you're doing templates, Canva templates, is best to do it in the free version, right? That the client is able to make whatever adjustment they want when they feel like, right? So you can use the sidebar here to customize and search for what you're looking for. And as I said, you can choose the free one, the free templates. So in this case, these are Instagram story highlight cover templates, and you can customize these and send them to your clients, right? So you just click on any one of them and you can start making some extra money. Like for example, click on this one, right? It says right here you can customize this template, so you click on it and you can change it, right? You have to change it to make it something original, something different from what is on the Canva platform, right? So you can go ahead and you can change it by changing the fonts, and you can use the free fonts. As I said, it's best to use the free, the ones with the crown. Those are the paid or the pro ones. So it's best to use the free fonts in the when you're creating these type of templates, right? So that the clients can customize it, however they choose, right? And you can also change these icons, right? So you can search for icons and change the color. You can change the background of this. You can change it to whatever color. If the client has a color scheme, you can change it to whatever color scheme that they want, right? So you can probably use like a probably gray if that is their color, or you can click the plus icon here and maybe give it a different color, background color. So you can decide, you work with the client, and whatever they want, then you will provide it, right? And as I said, they can change these icons, right? So if it's for real estate, probably would maybe need some housing, like a picture of a house, or like maybe a sale for sale sign, or whatever it is, and you can customize it. And when you're through, you go to the share right here, and you press download, and you download it, and you can send it to your clients, right? So another place that I want you to that I personally use, where you can get suppose you don't really want to use the templates that are in Canva, you can go to a platform called Creative Fabrica. That's an awesome place that I personally use, that you can get just about anything at all, right? So for example, I did a search of social media templates, and these are the results, right? The thing about it, you and most of the prices are reasonable. There are times when Creative Fabrica would have like sale, like 90% off, just about, whatever amount, right? So they normally have sale, but what you can do, you can look through here, and you can purchase it, and then you can use them, and then you can charge maybe, a higher price for your designs, because you're gonna purchase it, you're gonna customize it, and you will sell it on the Fiverr platform, because when you purchase it, you will get the commercial license, right, to do whatever it is. Say, all right, so let us look for Instagram highlight covers, right? Right, so this is as I say, is a great platform that you can use to get fonts, clipart, um, you know, KDP, interior pages, whatever it is that you want, you can get it on Creative Fabrica, right? So here are some of the prices. So if you these are like $2, 2.50, 210, right? And you will get like this, for example, you will get like 70 plus editable real estate Instagram highlight covers. And right, so if you don't want to use the ones that are on Canva, then you can purchase these, and then as I said, you can up your price, and to recover your the funds that you spend. So if you will, all right, so in the case for this now, you spend $2.10, right? And you'll get 70 plus editable real estate Instagram highlight covers. And based on your gig, on your service, right? You will charge, like for example, your basic plan would be say $40. Clearly you would have recouped that $2.10 that you would have paid for these real estate I Instagram highlight covers. So you see that you can go outside. If you don't want to use the things that are in Canva, you can search here, and if you see something that you're interested in, you can purchase them. Or you have the option on Creative Fabrica, where you can start. You have a free trial here, right? You have a free trial for 1 month, and you can cancel at any time. So, and right now, guys, even as I said, around on the other page it was $2.10. Look here, it's actually on sale for 70 cents. So you see what I'm talking about, guys? You can make a lot of money by selling Canva templates, right? And I say if you niche down, like if you're gonna cater just for real estate persons, then you can do that, right? Some persons do for, just across the board, anyone, right? But you can niche down and say you're gonna cater for real estate agents and companies and stuff like that, right? And as I said, they normally have Creative Fabrica normally have sale on their items, so you can check it out. I will leave a link in the description down below for you to join, and you can start with a free trial, right? If you choose. If not, this, for example, this template is for 70 cents, and you can purchase it, right? And it includes commercial license, but you can, read more, do your own research and read more about it, right? So you just can explore and start making some extra money with creating Canva templates. So guys, if you love the content, please subscribe to the channel. Please like the videos and share the videos, and let me know if you plan on creating Canva templates to make some extra money, to create another source of income, and if there's anything else you would like to see on the channel, then you can leave it in the comments down below. Okay, so thank you all for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and so you can start creating Canva templates. You can use Canva. You can, if you don't have an account, it's free to start, right? You can start for free and start creating, right? So stay tuned for another video, and thanks again for watching this video. If you have any other suggestions, just leave it in the comments down below. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you in another video. Bye everyone.